Welcome to element 3, which is all about where we customize your sales funnel and launch. Your sales funnel will automate the conversion of your sales leads into ideal buying clients and generating consistent, predictable monthly revenue for your business. Hi, my name is Christian Fumick and welcome to the Growth Funnel Journey in Fresnel Evergreen. We are a digital marketing agency that customizes sales funnels for you. And this channel is all about learning how to create the perfect lead magnet and the perfect sales funnel for your business. In step 3, we build the system that drives optimal visibility and demand through all your digital channels in order to maximize your revenue and profits from your digital marketing. Even though there are 3 steps, we sell them separately as to keep the pricing affordable and save you from wasting any valuable time and money. Because what's the point of spending your whole entire marketing budget and your time on a sales funnel that might not work? This means we start with step 1 and step 2, so it allows us to test your content and make sure the necessary changes are required to get it performing at its optimal conversion rate. Once we have the proof that there is demand for your one thing product or service and your content is converting, we provide you with a choice to expand your revenue potential by purchasing the premium services within step 3. These premium services help you to implement additional transformational strategies that will generate a much higher return on your marketing investment, but only once you have completed steps 1 and step 2, and that's because your sales funnel will be optimized for taking your online digital business to a whole new level. So let's jump over to the next video, but before we do, if you have any questions about this content, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are committed to providing you with the very best lead magnet and sales funnel learning experience. It's all available on our website, go check it out. I've also included links below this video in the description area to our free ebook guide that comes with a free introduction course that covers everything you're going to need to know. So thank you for letting me be a small part of your learning experience. The truth is, sales is a numbers game and a conversion game, and we help you increase your sales leads numbers so you get more conversions and you grow your business. Thank you and see you soon.